Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use ortho mode in Autocad. As you can see, we have a fresh project in here. I'm using the web browser version, so you can try it out quite fast. You don't have to install anything. If you want to try out AutoCAD, that's a beautiful option. And in the previous videos, I showed you how to use polars and how to use the angles. For example, if we want to have 45 degree angle drawings, we can easily do it like this. And then we can change it maybe to 10, go back to line, start in here, and it will going to go every 10 degrees. But if we want to use one and the other, we can also use ortho mode. Ortho mode, it's obviously giving us an option to go 90 degrees. Only 90 degrees. Nothing more, nothing less. If you press tab and go with 50, press enter, it will automatically go to 50%. Hit tab again, 90, and we are gonna hit enter, and we can, sorry, some little mishaps, we can go back to 90 again. It's a beautiful feature that they are providing for us, so why not get advantage of it? Just like that, you can create very sharp edges, very precise angles, and so on. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.